that matters, a channel about all and everything. Today I am very much excited to share with you the unboxing of Apple Macbook Air, which I have purchased recently. This is my first ever laptop, if I may call the MacBook a laptop. This is the MacBook Air with M1 chip variant which I have taken. I have taken the 1 TB storage and also 16 GB RAM. So let's get started and do the unboxing. Hope you are also as excited as me to do the unboxing. So this is the parcel which I have received from Apple. So let's cut this up. I always find unboxing new things very exciting, and if it is MacBook Air, the excitement is added. Let's keep this aside. So it has come with this kind of seal here. I'm going to cut this open now. Like this. Ready, steady, go. Here we go. The MacBook Air box. Can you see how pretty the box itself is? Nothing there, minimal. It's the gold shade MacBook. Here it's written MacBook Air. Here is the picture and Apple symbol on either sides, and then here some specifications. Where is that? Yeah, here. So let's open this up as well. It's so easy to open this. Just need to peel off this sealed polythene wrapper and done. Super excited. See here, this is how it looks. Wow, so pretty. How do I slide this open? Ta-da! I love the color. It's more of rose color than gold. They call this rose gold, and this is reflective. This Apple symbol is reflective, and everything else is matte. So pretty, so nice. Oh, it's getting switched on its own the moment I open it. Let me remove this as well. What is it here? So I have to choose the language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So nice. So let's see what else is in the box. Let me use this as the temporary thing. And let's see what else is in the box. So there is this charger. You can see this charger. And then let's see what is this. It says designed by Apple in California. This is the instructions booklet, I presume. Yeah. Some papers, how to get started and what else is there. Same thing, same kind of in other languages. And 2 stickers. On the power socket as well. So that's it, nothing else is here. The box is empty. Now let me tell you why I chose this MacBook Air and not the MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro 6 Intel iCore 9 was the latest one, but I watched many reviews and I found that the M1 chip performs better, and I did a quick comparison of the MacBook Pro, a detailed comparison of the MacBook Pro i9 and as well as the MacBook Air with the M1 chip, and I found the performance of M1 chip far better than the i9 processor. So that is the reason I chose to go with the MacBook Air with M1 chip. So I am very much glad that you had been with me in this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.